you want to create a zip file in a different location, how we can do that. So let's assume I want to compress these two files which is inside the data folder. This is my working directory. Let me delete this. This is a data folder. Inside this, I have two files called as book.csv and image.jpg. I want to compress these two files, which is present inside the data folder. How I can do that? Maybe I want to zip one single file. Let's consider one file at a time. Okay, so I want to compress books.csv. Later, I will show you how to compress multiple files. So I will make this name as compress.zip, and I will pass mode as write mode, and compression and everything I will pass as it is, and the compression level as 9. Everything will be same. Like even I can copy and paste it. Even that is also going to work. Let me reduce this size and increase this one. Yep. So now if I put, and I can remove this part also, I don't require it. Now compression I'll pass as if deflated. Okay, I can specify the compress level which I have showed you, but we can ignore that also. By default it is going to take a value. So with zip file compress.zip, mode equal to write, compression equal to zip deflated as zip file object. Now our file is present inside a directory. How we can access that directory? Dot write. So very simple. I hope you guys are able to think about it. So if it does data, okay, and after that I will pass the image that I want. So inside data I have book.csv, so I'll pass that book.csv, and if I do and shift and enter, okay, I am able to access. And if I open this file, you can see inside this compress.zip we have a data folder, and inside the data folder we have the books.csv. So this is how you can put any file path and you can write that into a zip file. Now currently, since I'm inside this working directory, so I can pass my file structure like this. But if you are anywhere, for example, if there is a file in my desktop, let's say cities, okay, now how I inside cities I have photos, and these two photos are present. How I can zip these files? So first I will get this path. Okay, I'll get this path, show, go to properties. So this is the path that I have, and we have night.jpg. So I can clear all. I hope you guys are able to understand. Now, what I will do, this is my path to the file. Okay, and this is the file name, which is night.jpg, if I am not wrong. Anyways, we can verify this also, like what are the files that are present inside the photos directory. We can do that also. Even we will do that, and I will show you. For this to work, I need to import the OS module. I've already shown this, how to view files inside a directory. You have to use the OS module. Videos are already there. You can go and check. So now os.list dir, and inside that I'll pass the path. Okay, so you can see I have two files called as night.jpg and starfish.jpg. Okay, so I'll get this one, night.jpg. So this is the current path that I'm having. I have to put a slash. Okay, so this is the path that I'm having. I'll pass just the file path over here. Okay, and I will delete this file. Maybe I'll give a different name called as image.jpg. That will make things clear up. So I'll delete this particular file, and if I now execute this, you can see image.jpg got created. And if I open this, you can see users, ULB, desktop, cities. It creates the directories recursively. So all the directories that fall in your path will get created, and you can see the night.jpg it present. See, this is our image. So this is how you can zip files from any location. If I've shown you how to zip using the absolute path of the file. So you can zip using any location that you want. And same wise, for example, I don't want my zip file to be created over here. I want my zip file to be created at my desktop. So even I do that also. So if I give this as source, and if I put it, put another variable called as destination, maybe I want to create a zip file in my desktop. So if I remove this part, and so I have to also give the file name, which is this. This is the source from where I'll get the file to zip, and this is a destination where my zip file will be created. So now I'll pass the destination, and in the path I'll pass the source. So pretty simple. Okay. And if I, so in my desktop, you can see there is no files called as image.jpg. Okay. If I come over here and if I execute this, dest is not defined. Okay. I have to execute this first. And now if I execute this, you can see image.zip got created. Now inside users will be desktop, cities, photos, and you can see our photo came. Okay. You can pass any file from any location and it will be able to zip your files. Okay. So this is how you can zip files from any location to any path.